Naledi Aphiwe, oh my gosh, what a beautiful voice. Oh my gosh, this girl can sing. What? I don't know how many times I watched this video. She is so talented. Now I understand why, what Chris Brown like saw in her. Like, come on guys, this girl is so talented. Yo, Naledi, ivosi yakho baby girl, ama goosebumps. Yazi, ngavele angazi, I don't know how I feel, but girl, I just want to say you are too dope. You are too dope. All right, guys, let's go to the comments. Yo, yazi yacula kamnandi ingane. Uthi lona, oh my Naledi, ungenzani ekseni? I'm crying. Yo, guys. Hey, Yo, ngashiselwa ngagodola. Naledi, there's something ngevoice yakho, but I can't prove it. There's something ngawe nevoice yakho. She's too talented, guys. She is too talented. Maranaledi, may God keep you safe and shining, baby girl. I love you from Mpumalanga. Stay blessed. Guys, ama comments wonke were just showing her love. Bemncoma ukuthi ucula kamnandi. Abantu bayakhala. People were commenting, my hearts are purple. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh gosh. Naledi, she has her unique way of singing songs. She never imitates. She's always Naledi. That is so true. Oh, Naledi can sing. Yes, sis. Listening to this while a 7-year-old girl is killed and dropped in the Resistance Gate. This happened here in Delmas. Oh my gosh. A 7-year-old. Oh guys, uNkulunkulu akabuye ngeke liyabhubha. How many times did you watch this? Honestly, I think I watched it 3 times. I'm still gonna watch it because wow. Ingoma nengoma aqala ukuyicula iyakhalisa. Your voice. Chris Brown knew it. Exactly. Bangaki nje abantu babecula abade baqala ucula nje la eSouth Africa. But Chris Brown wakhetha bani? Wanothisa bani? uNaledi. Because wow, she's too much. The dress code, very classy. It represents an independent woman. And ugqoke kahle, angikhumbuli nje uNaledi etrendisa ukuthi abamgqokisanga kahle or akagqokile kahle. Uhlezi nje egqoke kahle. Iyo. Oh, I hope I'm not the only one who sing the iyo parts. Oh, Nkosi yami, I also did. Oh, I felt that, watched this countless times. Oh, I did too. I'm still gonna watch it. This made me very emotional. I think sonke guys nje esibukele videos very saba emotional because wow, ivoice yalo mntwana. Uphiwe. Yabo nje utho Naledi Aphiwe and uphiwe ivoice, uphiwe italent. Yo guys, uthi lona Chris Brown wayengaguli ngekhanda. Iyacula lengane Nkosi yami and ngavele ngakhala ke. Nami kufikile lokho ngavele ngayivimba. But yo guys, this video. Her mom must be proud of her. She's smiling in heaven. Naledi. Nkosi yami. She's definitely proud. So much love. She knows how to dress up. The mic was definitely on. Iyacula lengane. Like so many comments, guys. Abantu bemncoma. Like it's crazy. Like she received so much love. her voice, the way she's dressed up, everything. People love her so much. I love her. We love her. The low notes, kept holding my breath on them. She didn't run out. No, she didn't. Not at all. She didn't. She didn't. Not me watching this 10 times. Hey guys. Alright guys, if this video it touched Healy the way it's touched me and other people, please comment. My hearts are purple. Guys, I'll see you on my next video.